everyone, my name is Charan Kumar. My speech about Teachers Day. I would like to start my speech by thanking all teachers always guiding me in right values and discipline. Teachers Day is celebrated on 5th September every year. It is honored by Dr. S. Radhakrishnan. Full name of Dr. S. Radhakrishnan is Dr. Sarvepalli Radhakrishnan. On this day, many functions are celebrated by the students to the teachers. On this day, kids, students, children are give gifts to the teachers. Dr. S. Radhakrishnan was first and second president of India in 1962 to 1967. I remembered a story about Dr. S. Radhakrishnan. Dr. S. Radhakrishnan was born in 5th September 1888 in Tirunanthapuram. His mother's name is Simta. His father's name is Dr. Sarpai Viraswamy. He was teacher in a 10th standard class in college. It is 1 hour class. He was teaching 20 minutes lessons and 40 minutes human values. And he was to tell that I love teachers. And students asked, sir, when is your birthday? Sir told, my birthday is 5th September. Children said, sir, we can celebrate your birthday. Sir told, I love teachers. Celebrate Teachers Day. On the fighting of our freedom, he was died in April 16, 1975. Thank you.
Hi everyone, today I am going to give a speech on Independence Day. Independence Day is the most important day in the history of India. Independence Day is celebrated on 15th August every year with great joy. On this day in 1947, India became free from the British rule. It is a national festival. On this day, the first Prime Minister of India, Jawaharlal Nehru, hoists the national flag at Red Fort in Delhi. The Indian Army and the Navy Air Force comprise the parade at Red Fort in Delhi. The Chief Minister of that state hoists the national flag on this day. On this day, our great freedom fighters remember the sacrifices. Thank you.
National festivals. National festivals are proud of every country. India as a worldwide known for its cultural diversity. There are 3 national festivals. Republic Day. Republic Day is celebrated on January 26. Independence Day. Independence Day was celebrated on August 15. And Gandhi Jayanti. Gandhi Jayanti was celebrated on October 2. In that day, the birth anniversary of Mahatma Gandhi. When the national festival is there is a government holiday. Thank you.
Our national animal is tiger. Tiger is a wild animal. It lives in jungle. It has a sharp teeth and nails. It is orange in color. It has legs. Our national flower is lotus. Lotus is very beautiful. Lotus is a aquatic flower. Lotus is a color such as pink, red, and white. Our national bird is peacock. Peacock is very beautiful. Peacock on its head it has a crown. The crown is very attractive. Thank you.
My name is Bindushri. I am studying in 6th A. Today I am going to share a few words about Dr. B.R. Ambedkar Jayanti. Dr. B.R. Ambedkar's full name is Bhimrao Ramji Ambedkar. He was born on 1891 in 14th April. He was born on 14th April 1891. His father's name was Satpal Ramji Satpani's mother's name was Bhima Bai. He was a great politician and nationalist and is a lower caste or untouchables equality among everyone. He got a Bharata Ratna award. Let's salute this hero on his birthday. Jai Hind, Jai Bharat. Thank you.
Hi everyone, my name is Soshini. I am telling about Ambedkar Jayanti. Baba Saheb Ambedkar was born April 14, 1891 and his birthday is celebrated Ambedkar Jayanti. Dr. Ambedkar has a deep personality. He was first delight to finish the college. He done PhD. He was the first law minister of independent India. Thank you. The national flag. National flag has three colors. First, top in orange color, middle is white color, bottom is dark green color. In white band middle, 24 spokes in wheels. In flag, another name is tricolor. Flag should be clean. The flag should be not touch the ground. Flag should be clean and don't be dirty. And flag should be not made in plastic. Thank you. Hi everyone, I am telling about national anthem. Our national anthem song is Jana Gana Mana. Jana Gana Mana, our national anthem. It was composed by Rabindranath Tagore, 1911. Thank you.
Hi everyone, myself Varsha. Today I am going to talk about Youth Day. National Youth Day is celebrated every year on 12th January to honor the birthday anniversary of Swami Vivekananda. National Youth Day is also known as Yuva Divas. Swami Vivekananda is one of India's greatest leaders and believers of youth power. He is a disciple of Sri Ramakrishna Paramahamsa. National Youth Day is also celebrated to encourage all the youths in our country to become a better person and achieve an honorable life, contributing to the development of our country. Government of India is also taking decision in 1984 to celebrate the great Swami Vivekananda's birthday on 12th January as National Youth Day every year. Across the country, several functions are organized in schools, colleges, etc. It is a great way to wake up the internal energy of youths, all the youths in our country, as well as to make our country develop. National Youth Day or Yuva Divas or the birthday of Swami Vivekananda is celebrated every year at Ramakrishna Math and Ramakrishna Meditation and with great joy and enthusiasm. National Youth Day Swami Vivekananda. The government has taken decision to celebrate the Swami Vivekananda's birthday very grandly, and on the occasion of Swami Vivekananda's birthday called Swami Vivekananda Jayanti, we want to follow the footsteps of Swami Vivekananda with warm wishes of Swami Vivekananda Jayanti. Thank you.
My name is Gagan. I am talking about our national flag. The national flag has three colors. Saffron at the top, white at the middle, green at the bottom. The flag has one wheel called Ashoka Chakra. It has 24 spokes. The flag should be not dirty. It has to be in clean. The flag has made in silk and cotton. It has to be not made in plastic. Thank you.
Hi friends, my name is Madhya Jasser. I am studying for 6th in Vidyadan School. I am telling about Children's Day. The Pandit Jawaharlal Nehru Prime Minister of India. We celebrate Children's Day on November 14th every year. Jawaharlal Nehru is a nature lover. Red rose was his favorite flower and he used to have red rose on his dress. When it's free time, Jawaharlal Nehru spent with Children's called Chacha Nehru. Chacha Nehru is the father of Indira Gandhi. Thank you Chacha Nehru for making India great.
My name is Akul. I will speak on our national song. Vande Mataram is given importance equal to the national anthem in our constitution. During national anthem, it sung as big. It sung as thank you.
My name is Ravi. I am telling our Children's Day. The birthday of Pandit Jawaharlal Nehru was the first Prime Minister of India. Is celebrated as Children's Day. On November 14th every year, Nehru was nature lover. The red rose was the favorite flower. Thanks.
Everyone, my name is Sapita. My topic is National Youth Day. The National Youth Day celebrated on 12th of January. The National Youth Day is first celebrated and it since it is. Thank you.